Being of the older generation, we sometimes have trouble with the technical aspects of the computer, so I'm showing this demonstration of how to transfer information to a hard drive.
Okay, what I always say is practice makes permanent. First, go ahead and make sure the the external hard drive is in the off position, which is the circle, and go ahead and plug it up, which we're going to do. I think I might have an extra wall strip here. And the cables start working with me. Power. Probably keep a hold of that. Any USB port is fine. Since it has its own power, you can plug it into the front or back. Then go ahead and turn it on. A message will pop up saying you have an item that's recognized. And whether it's Windows XP, Vista, or Windows 7, it'll ask you what you want to do with the drive you just plugged up. And we usually choose Open Folder to view files. This is your external drive. If you'd like, you can open up another window. For if you want to move stuff from your pictures, just click on Pictures, and your other Pictures window will open up. You can go into some of your pictures. I have about 7 or 8 pictures here. If I want to just select a few of them, I can just drag the left mouse button over them, and I can just drag them over and copy them to where I want. Or if I want, I'll select a picture folder I want, and I want them all. I can hold down Control and A, and that selects them. And again, I can either drag them over, or I can right click and cut or copy them and then paste them over here. So basically, if I took these and I cut them, I can paste them here. It'll ask me, sometimes it'll ask you permission, do you want to move this? You can say yes and continue. Usually in XP it doesn't. And as you can see here are those pictures. Now, if you want to move your pictures in a folder, you can create your old folder, your own new folder, by right-clicking anywhere on the white background, going to New, and going to Folder, and you can name it, today's pictures, like 215 pics, when I learned how to spell. And you can take those folders, and you can either drag them over one at a time, or you can drag multiple ones at a time. And then all your pictures that you just copied over are in here. Now, be sure to remember that if you hit Control A, it only selects all the pictures in that particular folder, which is now the 215 pics folder. I can go back. If I'm in this folder, I can select everything by hitting Control A, and that selects everything that's inside your hard drive. So just be sure that whenever you want to do a Control Select All, be sure to be in the folder that you want the pictures. Don't select everything if you don't want all your pictures moving back over. If I want to move these pictures back, I'll go inside the folder that I just made, hit Control All, and I can right click and cut them and then paste them back in here. Or if I want to make a copy, it'll copy the files and make a duplicate in this folder. And that's it. Did you have any other questions?
Would you go through, again, just transferring the entire
If you wanted to
collection of pictures?
Oh, okay. Being that my folder only has sample pictures, if I wanted to select every picture, I would just simply, let's close out of here. I would simply go to Pictures, which these would house all the pictures that I have unless I save them somewhere else. And if you wanted to hit Control A, that would select all the folders of pictures. If you want certain pictures, just go inside and select a few pictures that you want.
Okay.
Also, if you're looking for pictures that may not be in My Pictures, you can click on the Start, and in XP there will be a search option here, but in Vista and 7 you can just search from right here and say Pictures.
Can
And
you transfer from Picasa?
Yes. Yes. A lot of times your computer will have the option to import pictures from Picasa from one item to the next, or you can go into your Google Picasa folder and copy those files over. Unfortunately, I don't have Google Picasa on here, but yeah, it's just as easy.
Okay.
And you can even use the Picasa program and open up this folder, and you should be able to select those pictures and drag them into here as well. Picasa should work like that. So,
Okay, thank you.
no problem.